Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this adorable baby frock perfect for little ones aged 6 to 12 months. Let's get started. First we are using soft baby yarn and a 3.5 mm hook. Start by chaining 65 stitches for the neckline. We are working in rows, so turn your work and double crochet into each stitch across. After 3 rows, it's time to create the yoke. We will divide our stitches into sections for the sleeves and body, 10 for the front, 10 for each sleeve, and the rest for the back. Use stitch markers to keep it neat. Now let's shape the armholes work. Double crochet across the front, chain 5 for underarms. Skip the sleeve section and continue across the back. Repeat this for the other side. Once the armhole are done, you will have a cute little base. Keep working in round. Now we are building the frock. You can do simple double crochet rows or add some flare with shell stitches. For more decorative look, add a earring and the bottom beautiful border. I'm using a 5 double crochet shell in every third stitch. It gives the beautiful finish. Finally, let's add ribbon at the waist or a small flowers apply for the extra charm. And that it's sweet handmade baby frock in just few hours. Dears, like and follow for more baby crochet patterns. If you want any suggestion, so please tell me in comment section. I will consider your opinion and improving my content. So dear friends, keep supporting and keep watching my channel. Thank you so much. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.